Not everyone has the luxury or cabinet space to own a rice cooker, so today I'm going to show you how to easily make white rice, Basmati, or Jasmine over the stove. Trust me, it is so easy. First, you'll figure out how much rice you want to cook, and then you'll use a 1:2 ratio of rice to water. Today I'm making 2 cups of Basmati rice, so I'll add 4 cups of water. I'll shake a bit of salt, and I'll bring it to a boil. Once the water's boiling, you're going to add in your 1:2 ratio of rice. So for me, I'll add 2 cups of rice, and you'll let it come to a boil again. Once it's boiling, you'll put a lid on the pot and reduce the heat to low. You're going to let it cook on low for about 12 to 15 minutes. And just like that, it comes out perfect and fluffy. You literally barely did anything, right? I encourage you to enjoy your rice with my delicious honey garlic chicken recipe, which I've linked down below in the description. For more easy recipes and recipes made easy from around the world, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. And like this video. Thanks so much for watching.